Welcome student in my happy learning classes. In today's class we will do some famous proverbs and this is the famous proverb part 5. So first proverb for today is much cry little wool. Much cry little wool means much fuss little result. That means किसी भी चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा शोर करना या बहुत ज्यादा दिखाना कि मैं कुछ कर रहा हूं और बाद में उसका रिजल्ट कुछ ना आए, ये मतलब है इसका. Rome was not built in a day. This is again the most famous proverb. Rome was not built in a day. That means time, patience and hard work are needed for an important and difficult task. So if we are thinking that we get success in one night, so it can't be possible. So that is Rome was not built in a day. यानी एक ही दिन में कुछ, जैसे कहते हैं ना, एक दिन में कोई चमत्कार नहीं होगा, तो वही बात है, एक ही रात में कोई चमत्कार नहीं होने वाला है कि एक रात आप बुक खोलें और आपको सारी पढ़ाई आ जाए और आपके बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाए. ये तो सबसे ज्यादा आप सुनते ही होंगे. सो रोम वाज नॉट बिल्ट इन अ डे. नेक्स्ट इज ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी एंड दिस इज रियली बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी मीन्स it is safer and more advantageous for a man to be honest than what? Than dishonest, right? So it is safer and more advantageous for a man to be honest than dishonest. So it is very true that if we do any work honestly, if we are honest, we don't have to just give reasons for anything. Or we don't have to think for replying or for responding anything. If we are dishonest, we have to just make more things, make more stories, right? So that means एक झूठ बोलने के लिए 100 झूठ बोलने पड़ते हैं, right? So अगर हमने झूठ बोला है तो हम उसके साथ और झूठ भी मिलाएंगे, क्योंकि अगर एक बात हमारी गलत है, अगर आप जैसे कुछ भी बात को ले लो, एक झूठ को छुपाने के लिए 100 झूठ बोलने पड़ते हैं. दैट इज द मेन. ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. नेक्स्ट इज द पेन इज माइटियर देन द सोर्ड. द पेन इज माइटियर देन द sword, meaning writers, intellectuals, philosophers are more powerful to control, change the world than conqueror. So that is, now conqueror words are not there, but really pen is mightier than the sword or anything. So if you are good, if you are honest, and if the power of pen can change your world. So education is the basic need, and education is very important for anybody to grow, to develop, and to be just strong in his life or in his country. Then is united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. You must be just listened many stories theming this proverb. So groups have more power to act or resist or maintain their position than individuals acting alone. So this is the meaning of this. United we stand, divided we fall. Groups have more power to act or resist or maintain their position than individuals acting alone. So this is the meaning of this. United we stand, divided we fall. And this proverb is just relating in every field, whether we are in family, whether we are in organization, whether we are working in any place. If we are united, we really stand, and if we divided, then we fall. So for family it is very important that we should live unitedly, so that our happiness, our prosperity will be continue in our life. And like see, एकता में बल है, ये बोला जाता है. तो एकता में बल होने के कारण जो है हमारी खुशियां भी बढ़ती हैं. सो यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड एंड डिवाइडेड वी फॉल, एंड दिस शुड बी द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एवरी फैमिली लाइफ. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड ऑल द प्रोवर्ब्स एंड यू आर गोइंग टू यूज देम इन योर राइटिंग पैराग्राफ एंड sentences and letter writing in everywhere. So always try to read, write and Just express yourself honestly. See, always select your words so that whatever you have written in your notebook, it reflects that you have written it yourself. Everybody expresses herself or himself in his or her own way. So try to write every time something new. For that you need vocabulary. So make your vocabulary strong and be a good student. So see you next class. Have a very good day and happy learning to you.